Hello and welcome everyone to a quick video on our YouTube channel. So as you can see behind me we have an E83 BMW X3. This is a 2005 and the issue it's facing is the charging system. So the battery is not charging right. First we thought that the battery was bad, but it turned out to be fine. So the main issue should be the alternator. We inspected it and it turned out to be fine also. So we did a lot of digging. We found out that the ground wire between the engine and the chassis was bad, so we replaced that. And also the car still is not charging good. So we load tested the charging system and we found out that the serpentine belt is slipping on it. So we threw on it some water and the belt grabbed onto the pulley and spun with it, which made the amps go straight to the working range. So now we're gonna be replacing the serpentine belt and showing you how to do it. We're gonna start by removing the airbox. Here we are removing the radiator cover. So in your X3 you're gonna have two belts. There's an inner main belt and the outer AC belt. We're gonna be removing the AC belt to make room to remove the main belt. You reach the tensioner from the bottom for the AC belt using this tool, a Torx, which is big. And I can't read the number on it. Anyway, from the underside, between the fan and the engine, there's a pocket you can fit your hand in and twist on this one, and the belt tensioner will set free, and you can then remove the belt. On the main belt, this tensioner, it has a 16 millimeter. Make sure you take a picture of how the belt is routed. Just like that, the belt is out. The new belt that we have for the car. And here's the old. We are testing it out, seeing it has the same length, and it does. Now we're gonna start by installing it, following the pattern that was in before. Hopefully you got it on camera before.
So you go up, go down, another down.
One more down.
Up again.
Just like that, we replaced the serpentine belt. Now all we have to do is put it back together. Now it's time to turn it on. guys, so with that done, the car is fine and ready to go on the road once again. So if you have a car like this, or if you are facing a problem like this one, make sure you check out your belts before go out and changing alternators and batteries, because as you saw, this problem was huge and the fix for it was so small and tight. That being said, thanks a lot for watching. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you on the next one. Peace.